Building confidence. Unlocking your potential and achieving success. Confidence is a powerful trait that can help individuals achieve their goals, build strong relationships, and live a more fulfilling life. It's the foundation upon which success is built, and it's essential for overcoming obstacles, taking risks, and pursuing opportunities. In this article, we'll explore the importance of confidence, its benefits, and provide practical tips on how to build confidence. The importance of confidence. Confidence is the belief in one's abilities, judgment, and actions. It's the self-assurance that comes from knowing you have the skills, knowledge, and experience to tackle challenges and achieve your goals. Confidence is essential for 1. Achieving success. Confidence helps you take risks, pursue opportunities, and push beyond your limits. 2. Building strong relationships. Confidence helps you communicate effectively, assert yourself, and build strong relationships with others. 3. Overcoming obstacles. Confidence helps you stay motivated, focused, and determined in the face of challenges. 4. Improving mental health. Confidence can help reduce anxiety, stress, and self-doubt, leading to improved mental health and well-being. The benefits of confidence. The benefits of confidence are numerous and can have a profound impact on various aspects of life. Some of the benefits include 1. Increased self-esteem. Confidence helps you develop a positive self-image and self-worth. 2. Improved performance. Confidence can improve your performance in various areas, such as work, sports, or academics. 3. Better decision-making. Confidence helps you make informed decisions and take calculated risks. 4. Stronger relationships. Confidence helps you communicate effectively, assert yourself, and build strong relationships with others. 5. Increased resilience. Confidence helps you bounce back from setbacks, failures, and disappointments. Practical tips for building confidence. Building confidence takes time, effort, and practice. Here are some practical tips to help you build confidence. 1. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals helps you build confidence by providing a sense of accomplishment and progress. 2. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health helps boost your confidence and self-esteem. 3. Develop a growth mindset. Embracing challenges, learning from failures, and focusing on progress can help you build confidence and resilience. 4. Seek feedback. Seeking feedback from trusted friends, family, or mentors can provide valuable insights and help you build confidence. 5. Focus on strengths. Focusing on your strengths and accomplishments can help you build confidence and self-esteem. 6. Practice positive self-talk. Using positive affirmations and self-talk can help you build confidence and reduce self-doubt. 7. Take risks. Taking calculated risks can help you build confidence and develop a sense of self-assurance. 8. Learn from failures. Learning from failures and setbacks can help you build confidence and develop resilience. Overcoming obstacles to confidence. Building confidence can be challenging, and it's common to encounter obstacles along the way. Some common obstacles include 1. Self-doubt. Self-doubt can erode confidence and make it challenging to take risks or pursue opportunities. 2. Fear of failure. Fear of failure can hold you back from taking risks and pursuing opportunities. 3. Negative self-talk. Negative self-talk can undermine confidence and self-esteem. 4. Comparison to others. Comparing yourself to others can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low confidence. Conclusion: building confidence is a journey that requires effort, practice, and patience. By setting achievable goals, practicing self-care, developing a growth mindset, and focusing on strengths, you can build confidence and unlock your potential. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect. It's about being brave, resilient, and willing to take risks. With confidence, you can achieve success, build strong relationships, and live a more fulfilling life.